Yes, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to attempt Quant section of AIMCAT 2506 live. So over here, I will be doing my rough work. So let me start the test. Hold on. Let me start the test. Yes. Okay. So let me see how I can zoom this screen. Is there any feature or not? Let me check that. No, let it be. Let's solve. The first question is, how many 4-digit odd numbers exist such that their digits when read from left to right strictly in an increasing order? But hold on, let me check how I can zoom it again. Hold on. Let it be. Okay. So the first question is, how many 4-digit odd numbers exist? So the number is A, B, C, D. So when they read from left to right, they are strictly in an increasing order. Increasing order means A should be less than, B should be less than, C should be less than D. And A cannot be 0. So basically, none of the digit can be 0 over here, because we want decreasing order over here. We want increasing order over here. So none of them can be 0. 0 can come at only first place, but it is not allowed over here. And as it is an increasing order, it should be, the 4 digits should be distinct digits. So I cannot use 0. So from 1 to 9, I need to choose 4 digits, that is 9C4. And I need to arrange those in 4 factorial ways. No, but the question is, the condition is, the 4-digit numbers should be odd, everyone. Okay, the 4-digit numbers should be odd. So what I can do over here, let's have a look at it. A cannot be 0, and this D cannot be 1, everyone, because we want 4 digits which are in increasing order. So D cannot be 1. Can D be equal to 4? No. D be equal to 3? No, D cannot be equal to 3. Can D be equal to 5? If D is equal to 5, ABC should be among 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of these 4, we need to choose 3. 4C3, that is equal to how much? 4. Yes, and their arrangement is going to be in only one way. So that is equal to 4. 4-digit numbers are possible if D is equal to 5. Similarly, look here, if D is equal to, now the next possibility, D is equal to, the next possibility is, if D is equal to 7, then A, B, C are going to be among 1 to 6. So out of 6 digits, we need to choose 4 digits. In how many ways I can do that? 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. 64 is equal to 62, that is equal to 15. And there is only one arrangement is going to be there, because we want them to be increasing. Then last is D is equal to 9, then A, B, C are supposed to be 1 to 8. So out of these 8, we need to choose 4. That is going to be how much, everyone? 8C4 is going to be how much? That is 8765 divided by 4, 3, 2, 1. So 3 into 2 is 6, 4 2s are 8, so 470. And only one arrangement is going to be there for each and every combination out of this 70 combination. So our final answer is going to be 70 plus 15 plus 4. And this addition is equal to how much? 85. 85 plus 4 is 85 plus 4 is 89. Okay. So now let's have a look at the second question. Second question, the area of a circle in which a chord of length 6√3 units subtend an angle 120 degree at a point on the circumference of a circle is k pi. We need to find the value of k. Hold on, let's have a look at it. So over here there is a circle and the chord 6 root 3 subtend 120 degree. So it means this is a chord and this angle is 120 degrees. Center is going to be over here. So now the area of area of this circle is equal to k pi. The length of this chord is equal to 6 root 3. So this is going to be how much? 3 root 3 and 3 root 3. This angle is going to be 60 and 60. So over here, what we can do here is, let's see how we can find the radius of this circle. This is equal to 3 root 3. And then this is 3 root 3. This is 60. So this is also going to be 60, everyone. And this is also going to be 60. So 3 root 3, in fact, 3 root 3 becomes what? The height of this equilateral triangle, root 3 by 2 into side. So the side becomes how much? Root 3 will get cancelled out. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Then this side is nothing but the radius. So the area of circle is going to be 36 pi. The value of k is equal to 36. Yes. After this, question number 3. What are the last two digits of 73 to the power 125? 73 to the power 125. So over here there is a length of cycle is 20. So you need to divide power by 20. So remainder is equal to how much? Remainder is equal to 5. The last two digits are going to be same as last two digits of 73 to the power 5. This we can write 73 to the power 2 into 73 to the power 2 into 73. 73 square, the last two digits are 100 minus 73, that is equal to 27 square is 729. So the last two digits of 73 square is 29, 29, 73. Last two digits of 29 into 29 is 41, everyone. 29 square is 841 into 73. So the last two digits of this multiplication is going to be 3 into 1 is 3. After that 7 into 1 is 7 plus 12. 7 plus 12 is equal to 19, that is 9. The last two digits of this multiplication is 93. So we are going to mark first option over here. After that, question number 4. Find the number of real roots of this equation. Okay, looks a bit lengthy question. We'll do this later on, because we need to do trial and error over here. Then question number 5, we need to find the minimum value of x square plus y square plus 5xy. Again, it looks a lengthy question. We need to think over this. Let's move to the next as of now. Then question number 6, A had a certain amount of money, B had 7 times that A had. A bought certain number of gold coins and left with 1/3 the cost of a gold coin. Okay, B bought as many gold coins as he could and found that if he had 7,500 more, he could have bought one more gold coin. This is a easy but a bit lengthy question, but let's try. Let's have a look at it. So over here, the A had a certain amount of money, B had 7 times of that money, A bought certain number of gold coins. So now look here. Cost of one coin, let's take it as x, and A bought cost of one coin, let's take it as 3x, and A bought y coins. So amount with A is how much? Amount with A is y into 3x plus 1/3 of a cost of a gold coin. 1/3 of 3x is x. So A is having this much amount. Now B is having 7 times of this. So B is having 7 into 3, 21xy plus 7x coins and plus 7x amount. Okay, 7 times. If B bought as many gold coins as he could and found that if he had 7500 more, he could have bought one more gold coin. So now look here, how many gold coins B can purchase? We need to divide this by 3x. We need to divide this by 3x because the cost of one coin is 3x. So 21xy divided by 3x, these many gold coins. 7x you can write 6x plus 3x. 6x divided by 3x. And now x rupees are remaining. Now if he is having 7500 more, it means this is the value of one coin. So because this is equal to how much? 7y. This is equal to 2. 7y plus 2 coins are already purchased. X rupees are left. And if he had 7500 rupees more, he can purchase one more coin. It means the value of one coin is x plus 7500, which is equal to cost of one coin is 3x. So let's solve this. The value of 2x is equal to 7500 you will get. So x is equal to how much? 3750. Now the question is, find the cost of each gold coin. I guess I made some mistake over here. Let me check this again. So y coins A is going to purchase y into 3x plus x. 7 times of this divided by 3x. Then this is equal to 7y gold coins divided by 3x. X plus 7500. And the value of one coin is 3x. So 21xy divided by 3x, it's 7y coins. From this 7x, 3x rupees, 3x and 3x, 6x, 2 gold coins, x rupees are left. And if he had 7500 more, so x plus 7500 is a value of one coin, which is equal to 3x. Okay, which is equal to 3x. Correct. We got x is equal to 3750. Yes. The value of one coin is equal to how much? 3 into 3750, everyone. Correct. This is our answer. And this multiplication is going to be how much? 11250. Okay, 11250, that is equal to third option. After this, 27 minutes are left. We're done with 4 questions as of now. Question number 7, how many values of x satisfies this? I guess we need to think on this. Okay, it will take some time. Let's move to the next question. Mohan bought an article, marked it up by 50%. He gave a discount of D%, profit of D%. Okay, it will take time. Let's move to the next question. Age of a person k years ago was half of what his age would be k years from now. Okay, let's try this. The age of the same person p years from now would be thrice of what his age was p years ago. Okay, looks easy question. Look here. So let's say that today the age of person is k. Today the age of person is, let's say, x years. K years ago it was x minus k. Is half of, after k years it will be x plus k. And p years from now it is x plus p, which is equal to 3 times what was p years back, that is x minus p. We need to find the ratio of k and p. Let's have a look at it. So over here 2x minus 2k is equal to x plus k. So x is equal to 3k. Over here x plus p is equal to 3x minus 3p. So that is going to be how much? 4p is equal to 2x. Means x is equal to 2p and x is equal to 3k. So we need to find k divided by p is going to be 2 divided by 3. The answer is last option. Correct. Then question number 10. Looks a bit lengthy question. Let's move to the next. Over here, f of x is equal to under root this is a real valued function. How many integers are not in the domain of f of x? Okay, easy question. Look at domain we need to find. So over here domain is nothing but set of inputs, set of values of x. So the only condition over here is under square root. Whatever is there under square root, that is supposed to be positive. That is x plus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 7 into x minus 11. This multiplication should be greater than or equal to 0, everyone. So you need to solve this inequality. So over here the critical points are 11, 7, 3 and minus 2. And for this the graph is going to be like this. The graph is going to be like this. We want this to be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So, but our question is what? How many integers are not in the domain, everyone? So which we want it to be positive, means this region is correct, this region is correct, this region is correct. So which integers does not satisfy the value of x, everyone? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Over here 8, 9, 10. So total 4 and 3, total 7 integers they does not satisfy. For these 7 values of x there is under root negative number. So these 7 numbers, 7 values are not in the domain. Easy question. After that, question number 12 is also easy question. Let's have a look at it. The simple properties of log it looks like 16 is 2 to the power 4, 2 is root 2 is power 1 by 2, everyone, and 4th root of 2 is 2 to the power 1 by 4. After that, over here log a plus log b is log of a into b, everyone, but base is different. Okay. Second is log of 32 is 2 to the power 5 plus under root 32, everyone, that is equal to 2 to the power 5 by 2. And the base is 2 to the power 1 by 3, everyone. So the first term is log of 2 to the power 9 by 2 to the base 2 to the power 1 by 4. That is going to be 9 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. And this is going to be how much? 18. And this is going to be log of 2 to the power 15 by 2 to the base 2 to the power 1 by 3. The value of this is going to be 15 by 2 divided by 1 by 3, that is equal to 45 by 2, 22.5. So our final answer is the addition of these two. So addition is equal to how much? 40 and half, 40.5, option 1. So now 21 minutes left and we done with 7 questions. The next, find the number of 3-digit sets. Find the number of 3-digit element sets, positive integers a, b, c, such that a into b into c is equal to 210. Okay, looks a bit lengthy question because 210 is 4 prime numbers are there, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Hold on, we'll do it later on if time permits. After that, if p is a perfect square that has exactly 11 of its factors less than its square root, find the number of factors of p square. Easy question. Look at. So over here p is perfect square. It means square root of p is a factor of p. And there are 11 factors which are less than its square root. Over here there are 11 factors. So likewise the 11 factors are going to be here as well. 11 factors are going to be here as well. So total number of factors are going to be 11. Root p is also a factor plus 11. So total 23 factors are going to be there. P is having total 23 factors. 23 is a prime number. It means the prime factorization of P should be a to the power 22. So that number of factor becomes 22 plus 1, 23, where a is a prime number. The question is, find the number of factors of p square. P square is going to be a to the power 44, and its number of factors are going to be 44 plus 1, 45 is the answer of this question. Then the next is the speeds of Aniket, A, B and C. They are in a ratio 4:3:2. If Chatur takes half an hour more than B to travel from P to Q, what is the total time taken by Aniket to travel P to Q and then from back Q to P? Again, a very easy question. The concept involved is, over here PQ distance is constant. So A, B and C, the ratio of their speed is 4:3:2. So the ratio of the time taken becomes 1/4:1/3:1/2. And let's multiply it by LCM 12. This will become 4:3:6 is the ratio of time taken, everyone. No, 3:4, everyone. Correct. 3:4:6 is the ratio of time taken to travel distance PQ. Now Chatur takes half an hour more than B. This difference between time taken by C and B is equal to 2, everyone. 6 minus 4, 2. This 2 represent half an hour, 30 minutes, everyone. So 1 represent 15 minutes. So this 3 represent 3 into 15, 45 minutes. The time taken by A to travel from P to Q is 45 minutes. Yes, the question is asking about A. So to travel from P to Q 45 minutes, and to come from Q to P, a return journey, it will also take 45 minutes. The 45 into 2, 90 minutes is the answer of this question. Then after that, a king wants to give some gold coins to a group of people such that first person gets 1 coin, second gets 3 coin, third gets 6 coin, fourth get 10 coins. Total coin are 3276. Yes, this is again a very lengthy question. 1, 3, 6, 10. Over here the differences are in arithmetic progression. Okay, so lengthy question, we'll do it later on if time permits. Then question number 17. Yes, this is an easy question. Over here the property is the graph of mod of x plus minus a plus mod of y plus minus b is equal to k. The graph of this is going to be same as graph of mod of x plus mod of y is equal to k. So mod of x plus mod of y is equal to 3. The graph is going to be like this. The graph is going to be like this. This is 3, 3, minus 3 and minus 3. So this is a square, or you can say this is a rhombus. So what is the area of rhombus? Area is equal to product of diagonals. This diagonal is of length 6. This diagonal is of length 6. Half into 6 into 6. So the area is equal to 18. So if the area of this region is P, area is P, so we need to find the value of 2 into P. 2 into 18. The answer is 36. Okay. After this, Varun and Arun can complete a piece of work in 50 days and earn 20,000 in total. If Varun is thrice as efficient but leaves after first 30 days, okay, what is the amount? Look, so efficiency is like per day work. Efficiency is nothing but per day work. Varun and Arun. Varun is 3 times efficient as Arun. If per day work of Arun is 1, per day work of Varun is equal to 3. Now, Arun and Varun can complete a piece of work in 50 days together. So, when they work together, they need 50 days. So total work is going to be how much? 50 days into 3 plus 1 is their per day work. When they work together, total work is going to be 200 units. Now they are going to work together only for 30 days. So first 30 days Arun and Varun both will work together and they will complete 30 into 4, 120 units. So now remaining 80 units, everyone. Remaining 80 units, who left? Arun, who left? If Varun is thrice efficient, but Varun leave. Okay, Varun left means remaining 80 units A will do. A can do only 1 unit every day, so A need to work for 80 days, everyone. Yes. So over here, how the money will get distributed, let's have a look at it. So total work done by A and B is how much? A total work done by V is how much? We work for 30 days. Every day we will be doing 3 units, so total amount that we will do, total amount of work that we will do is 90 units, whereas A will do remaining 110 units, everyone. So amount should get distributed in a ratio of 11:9. The question is how much amount Arun will get out of 28,000. Arun will get 11 out of 20 into 28,000, everyone. That is equal to 11 into 1400. This multiplication is 15400. Yes. After this, now this is a trigonometric question, not very good at this concept. Now let's move to the next question. K of x is a polynomial which when divided by x minus 36 leave a remainder 64. Okay, and x minus 64, 36, what is the remainder when? Okay. So let's try this question. So dividend is equal to f of x is equal to divisor x minus 36. Hold on. Over here, remainder is 64. It means f of 36 is equal to 64. Remainder is 36. So f of 64 is equal to 36. So now the dividend is f of x is equal to divisor is x minus 36, x minus 64. This is divisor into quotient is q of x plus remainder is ax plus b. We need to find a plus b is how much. So what we will do is, first of all, put x is equal to 36, everyone. So f of 36 is 64. If you put x is equal to 36 over here, this whole term will become 0. 36 a plus b. Then put x is equal to 64. F of 64 is equal to 36. This whole term will become 0 if you put x is equal to 64 plus 64a plus b over here. So now we need to find the value of a plus b. So now let's solve these two linear equations simultaneously. Let's subtract. This subtraction is equal to 28 minus this subtraction is equal to 28, and this subtraction is also equal to 28 minus 28 a. So the value of a is equal to minus 1. Put a is equal to minus 1 over here. B is going to be how much? 100. So b is equal to 100, a is equal to minus 1, so a plus b is going to be 99. So this option we will mark. Then hold on. After this, in a college 5 of 525 students, each students take at least 2 items from idli, dosa, puri and chapati. If 375 takes idli, 375 dosa, 375 puri, 375 chapati, the number of students who take all 4 items is at most. Look at a set theory question. So let's use a token concept over here. The 375 students who are going to eat idli will give them idli token. Then dosa will give 375 dosa token to the people who are eating dosa. Same way 375 tokens to the people who are eating puri. And then chapati will give 375 tokens. And this addition is going to be how much? 1200 and 1500. This addition is going to be 1500 tokens. And 525 students everyone. Everyone will get at most one token of that type. Okay, there will not be anyone who will be getting 2 idli tokens. So total number of tokens distributed are these many and 525 students. A student can have maximum 4 tokens. Each student takes at least 2 everyone. So 525 students each and everyone is having at least 2 tokens. So give 2 tokens to each student everyone. So 1050 tokens are exhausted. So 450 tokens are left everyone. At this point of time, everyone is having 2 tokens. We want to maximize the number of students who are having all 4 tokens. So what we will do is now start giving, they are already having 2 tokens. Now start giving 2 tokens to each. We can give 2 more tokens to 225 students. So these are the 225 students who are having exactly 4 tokens and others are having exactly 2 tokens. So maximum 225 students can have all 4 tokens. All 4 tokens, yes. 8 minutes are left now. Find the minimum number of angles in a convex decagon that must be right or obtuse. That must be right or obtuse. I guess there are high chances of getting this question wrong by me. Hold on, let me check the other questions. This is no, this is no. Now this is a bit lengthy question. 16th, 13th, again a lengthy question. 10th, okay, then 8th, 7th, 5th and 4th. Let's do 4th question. So over here we need to do some trial and error. X to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2. Let's find first root by using trial and error everyone. You can observe that the positive number cannot be root of this equation. Because all the terms are positive, the positive, if you put any value of x as a positive number, it will not give you 0. So x has to be the negative number. Put x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. Yes, it is a root. Okay, x is equal to minus 1 is a root, so we will divide this by x plus 1, but we will get a cubic equation again. We need to do the trial and error again. So instead of doing trial and error later on, let's do now itself. Check x is equal to minus 2 is another root or not. X is equal to minus 2, 16 minus 24 plus 12 minus 6 plus 2. So this is equal to how much? This is equal to 16, 10 and 12. Yes, this is also a root everyone. X is equal to minus 2 is also a root. So what we will do here is x plus 1 is a factor, x plus 2 is a factor. It means x square plus 3x plus 2 is a factor. So what we will do is we will divide x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2, 3x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 3x plus 2. So what we will get, let's have a look at it. So now the quotient is x square over here. So x to the power 4 minus 3x plus 3x cube plus 2x square. Then if you subtract x square plus 3x plus 2 is remaining, and the quotient is 1 now. X square plus 3x plus 2, the remainder is 0. So other factors are going to be, so basically this expression we can write x square plus 3x plus 2 into x square plus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 are the real roots. This is not having any real root, everyone. So there are only 2 real roots. Correct. And then after this, 5th will take time. Hold on. 7th. Now let's try this question number 8. Question number 8 is Mohan bought an article and marked it up 50%. Okay, so the cost price is x, mark price is going to be 1.5x. Or hold on. Let's take cost price as 2x, mark price will be 3x. He gave a discount of d%, got a profit of d%. It means the selling price is equal to profit d%, CP into 1 plus d by 100, which is equal to discount of d%, that is mark price into 1 minus d by 100. So if you solve this, you will get the value of d, everyone. Okay, so let's cross multiply. Let's solve this. 2 plus 2d by 100 is equal to 3 minus 3d by 100. So this is equal to 5d by 100 is equal to 1. So d is equal to 20. Yes, we got a value of d over here. Okay, we got a value of d over here. Now the question is, had he bought the article for d% less? Had he means now new cost price becomes how much? The initial cost price is 2x. d% less means 20% less, means into 0.8. So 1.6x is the new cost price. Increased its mark price by d%. Look here, the mark price is equal to 3x. We are going to increase it by 20%, that is into 1.2, that is equal to 3.6x. And given a 2d% discount, 2d% discount is now 40% discount. So mark price is 3.6x, 40% discount means into 0.6. This 36 into 6 is 216. So 2.16. X is a selling price. So what will be the profit percentage? Look here. So CP is 1.6x, SP is 2.16x. So over here, this x and x will get cancelled out. The ratio is going to be how much? 160 is to 216. That is equal to divided by 8. Divide it by 820 and 228. That is equal to how much? 8 rupees a profit on 20 into 100. That is 40% is the profit, everyone. So the first option. Now 1.5 minutes is left. I doubt I will be able to solve any of the remaining question in the remaining one. Okay. So now let's submit the test and let's check the score. I believe all the questions are correct. Let's check. Theta questions can go wrong. Oh, 2 questions out of 22, 13 I got correct. 2 are wrong, 7 are unattempted. I need to check which 2 are wrong. 13 into 3, 39. So 1 MCQ and 1 theta question is wrong. I will not be able to check which question. I need to go in some other tab, but let it be. You comment. In the comment section, you can let me know where I made the mistake, which are those 2 questions and where I made the mistake. Thank you.